Паркинг. Kitchen. This is back door.
Laundry area.
Laundry area. Вот I have.
Better.
How about water pressure? It's good? No, first floor good. So this is CR. This is another bedroom. Aircon, Wi-Fi. It's another room. Without aircon. Same size, maybe 10 square meters about. $11,000 yes, this one. This is 11,000 peso, yes? 11,000 peso this room. How much?
12,000.
This one 12,000.
12,550.
12.50.
Maybe 50 and basura.
Basura 50 peso. Okay. Parking. It's a free parking here.
Yes.
Free parking. Can I see another room?
One?
Another, same.
Yes, same. Is where they check in guest.
It's the same room or not?
Yes.
Same room.
Check in and guest.
It's furnished. It's furnished.
Yeah.
Okay. I have available another. Can I see another available room? Only one?
No. Same lang. Unit 4.
Unit 4. Also first floor. Upper floor don't have.
Meron. One.
One have.
Doon, sa taas.
3. This is 4 room also available.
Same.
Same size, same price.
Yeah.
Here don't have aircon.
And laundry area is maluwag.
Big laundry area.
Maluwag.
It's good. Laundry area good. Aircon, but aircon can install here.
Yeah. Install aircon. CR.
Don't have light. Water. Pressure not good, but it's okay.
It's very good water and light.
But good water. Pressure good water.
Yeah.
Okay.
No light.
No power now.
Yeah.
Upper floor.
Second floor.
Second floor available. Upper don't have. Only second. Okay.
Buti mabait to. Nakakerry pa. Kaya nga ko sabayan.
But this is building many occupied rooms.
Occupied?
Yes, so many people live here or not?
6 peoples?
No, here 6 only. How many people now live here?
4.
4 only.
Bali, 6 kami. 6. Third floor me.
Okay. You also live here. Okay, I can see another. Stairs. Tank also have. No smoking. It's good if no smoking. This is room someone live here.
No,
Here have balcony. Here have balcony, yes?
Yeah.
It's a small balcony.
Oh, small balcony.
Oh, this is from aircon maybe water.
Yeah.
But this is room occupied or not? Can live here or
No.
no people can live here? How much this room?
11.5.
11.5. So this is room is cheaper than in first floor. This is 11.5, first 12.5.
Yeah.
Okay. Upper half?
No
Don't-
vacancy.
No vacancy. Only 2 floors. First
Yeah.
floor. Okay. So this is area for parking.
Yeah.
This is road also can go to MacArthur Highway or not?
No.
No, only one way.
Yeah.
One way to MacArthur Highway here. What name of barangay?
Anong barangay ito? Mabiga.
This is Mabiga barangay. Okay, thank you. Noisy here or not? Noisy or not? Silent.
Yeah.
Yes, here silent.
Tahimik.
Yeah, I don't like if noisy. This is someone live in this house, also for rent. You don't know this building. You don't know. No, now good. Okay. So need pay deposit 2 months.
2 months deposit, 1 month advance.
1 month advance. Basura 50 peso every month.
Every month.
Parking is free.
Yeah.
Lazada delivery easy to go.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. And food delivery is good.
Delivery good. Yes.
Papasok sila. Hindi ka nalala.
Yeah.
Deliver lang. Sige lang.
Dogs don't have dogs. Don't have dogs. Animals, dogs bark. No dogs.
No.
It's good. So silent. Only dogs and chicken outside here. Okay. So this is 11. Second floor 11.50. First floor 12.
Yeah.
But why same room?
Different.
Why different?
Malaki yung balcony.
Big balcony. Understand. This is small balcony.
Yeah.
Okay, but this is available room.
Yeah.
Available. But aircon, have already aircon or not? This
No.
room.
No aircon.
Here no aircon.
Yes.
Only one room have with aircon.
No aircon.
No aircon.
Free Wi-Fi.
But Wi-Fi is free.
Yeah.
Okay.
Malakas ang signal.
Good signal.
Yeah.
This is a CR. Okay. Hot water can install here. No problem, yes? Power have.
Ang tawag dito? Heater.
Heater is easy, yes? Okay. Room.
It's very, very tahimik.
Okay. Okay, thank you. I will show my video to my friend. So this is place, but road of course not so good. So need to drive in this road until maybe 100 meters. Not good road here. And this is Barangay Mabiga. People live here. Dog don't have. I not hear dogs. So this is road only drive to. It's another apartment for rent. Gomez apartment. But it's a small gate, not wide. Also. Gomez here, so many cars inside.